Is she clockable? Clockable. Gotta check the angles. Make sure she's not clockable. Bam! I'm feeling good. How about you? Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Here we are. Another review, baby. By who? Outre. That's who. Big thank you to them for sending out the unit. So, baby, if you are ready, like I am ready, let's get into this unit. This is Miss... What is this again? MIABELLA. Outre. Let's go.
You always wearing your glasses. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better stars and eyelashes. You love what you do with the passion. This shit is trash. Fuck with you, girl.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat? Tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the family around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. Why? Going off the things, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the crowd go late. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and the things. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got fire, we all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide. I don't care if we on the run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. In the room, going off the thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the crowd go late. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money and anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got fire, we all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon'
Stop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You can slide on me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do so much, I know what you can speak. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. You can fuck, but you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't getting on the apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets with a brand new line.
moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the crowd go late. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money and things. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got fire, we all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets with a brand new line.
Is she clockable? Clockable. Gotta check the angles. Make sure she's not clockable. You know how it is. You gotta check the angles, baby. Check for the clockables while you're under these lights. Hey, once again, Scalp is in the building. Yeah, so Outre, listen. I know I've been saying that a lot, but listen. This DR Copper Brown, my first go around with it, and baby, this is so freaking pretty. I think this is perfect for fall. You can transition this to spring, summer, whatever it may be. I think the color is just freaking gorgeous. It has hints of gold, little brown, a little 30 mixed in with the 1B root, and baby, chef's kiss. Yeah, it's that deep. Great cap fit. I didn't even apply any heat to the crown of this unit, as you ladies saw. It came together perfectly. Parting space looks also good. I did cut into the hairline for this unit just so I could make sure it looked pristine, baby. Very comfortable cap. I am using the elastic band in the back so it can lay flat, 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 baby. We did get the swoopity swoops on deck a little bit. You know, I kept it kind of simple. The hairline, in my opinion, it's pre-plucked-ish, okay? They do give you some baby hairs or edges so you can customize it to your liking. I really did not want to go too drastic with the hairline, so I did keep it nice, simple, natural, and baby, bam. Now the texture straight out of the pack, it does have more of a silky vibe to it, in my opinion. But baby, once you take your rake comb through this, listen, if this is not giving me human hair vibes, then I don't know what is, boo. Listen. Yeah, so I'm definitely sold. Even with the length, I think this looks so freaking amazing. I did add, you know, just a couple of little snippy snips here and there just to frame my face a little bit better, and this unit just comes to life, baby. We are giving life. Listen, the color, listen, it's the color and the texture for me, okay? Color and the texture for me. So definitely appreciate this unit. Big thank you to Outre for sending it out. If you are interested in checking out the information for Miss MIABELLA, definitely hit up the direct link in the description box down below. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all push notifications, but most importantly, drop your valid comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.
What they gon' say?